What if your editors never had to leave Premiere Pro to deliver finished content for review? Introducing Vantage plus Premiere Pro plus Frame.io, one seamless workflow. Today, getting a finished sequence from Premiere Pro to stakeholder review means multiple manual scenarios: exporting, monitoring renders, applying presets, running QC, uploading proxies. Each handoff costs time, introduces inconsistency, and pulls editors away from creative work. Vantage 8.3 Update Pack 1 changes that entirely. With one action from the Vantage panel inside Premiere Pro, editors submit their sequence into a fully orchestrated workflow. Vantage offloads the sequence export from Premiere and routes the job to Adobe Media Encoder for rendering with governed presets, runs automated QC, and delivers proxies and metadata directly to Frame.io v4 for review. One submission, 0 handoffs. Editors stay in the creative zone. Submission and rendering happen in the background while they keep cutting. Governed presets eliminate delivery drift. Every output meets spec every time, across every operator and every office. Stakeholders review in minutes, not hours. Proxies and metadata reach Frame.io v4 the moment rendering completes. Operations teams see everything, a single pane of glass in Vantage from submission through delivery. Vantage plus Premiere Pro plus Frame.io, from timeline to review, fully orchestrated, 0 handoffs. See it live at NAB 2026.